forests. They are home to 80% of life on Earth. From the dependence of their layer to the top of tree crowns. Forests are the hero keeping our planet healthy and Earth alive. All of us. Forests are a peril against erosion, landslide, and war avalanches. They give us fresh air, clean the drinking water in our river, and they attract the rain we need to grow food. And yes, we are not treating them well. In only a couple of thousand years, humans have acquired up 80% of the planet's original forest cover. For every vanishing forest, we lose the most important buffer against climate warming. But not only that, about 2 billion rural people depend on forests to survive. It's where they find shelter, food, and water. It's their home. And by taking care of, they protect them. And they take care of us too. This is not a forest. This is There are more than 800 definitions of forest. Deciding what exactly we call forest is vitally important to protect the environment. In a forest, each individual tree has a role to play. As does every animal, every plant, every living being. Big and small, microscopically small. They're better taking in the excess CO2 humans produce than hiding some of its waste and using the rest to create healthy benches, nutrients, fruits, nuts, and beautiful landscape. The roots of trees give the soil the structure it needs to absorb and retain water when it rains, avoiding floods that would otherwise wash away perfectly tilled soil we need to grow food. Food for us, but also for them. Together as an ecosystem, forest provide the exact balance life needs to thrive. And that's why this isn't a forest, the balance is completely disturbed. Like any monoculture, the air feels very thick, and if you listen, it's completely silent. And now, let's turn into the primary forest. Animals can thrive there because the presence of only tree on plant species simply doesn't provide the necessary range of food, shelter, and nutrients for life to thrive. The soil also suffers in monoculture. Lie here on the left versus on the right, and in a healthy forest. Take palm oil plantation for example. With no other special to compete with, they just all the water and nutrients they need, giving nothing back to the soil, we quickly lose its fertility. And by disturbing the soil, tree monoculture not only can absorb CO2 efficiently, they actually emit carbon, as they are now standing where ancient forests once stood, storing carbon they capture over thousands of years.